So this is the screen we're at now. To get started, we're just going to upload some photos. So we're going to go to Add Videos and Photos. Going to click on that, and it'll open up our folders. I just have mine filed under Pictures, I'm sorry. And I'm going to use them from my camera. I'm going to scroll all the way down to my professional pics. I cheated. I put them all in a folder first, so I just have to go all the way down, Control-Shift, so I can select them all and import them into my Windows Movie Maker. But you guys can import whatever photos you need to. If you need to pull this one from one folder and another one from another, however you need to do it to get it all together, that's fine by me. And as you'll see, they all just pop up, straight-laced. I know there's two here at the bottom that I took with my camera. I'm just going to delete the text. I can just do that by clicking the Remove button. So all of a sudden there's no text on any of them, which is a great thing. So how we're going to do this, and if you just want to click on that first slide and let it play, that would be great. You'll sort of see how it's transitioning through. That black bar right here will tell you how things are going through so that you can actually see it for yourself where it is at currently. Now, while this is all fun and good and we're just enjoying the pictures, as you can see, it just looks like the pictures were imported and they're set there. There's no transitions, there's no slides, there's nothing to tell you what's really going on in this Movie Maker. It's just moving through the photos, much like you would be moving through a photo album. What we want to do with ours is sort of tell a story about what's going on. These are some of the pictures that I have chosen from my own life for just being very important events for me. One currently being my trip to Haiti was a huge impact on me. So I sort of want to tell that story throughout this Movie Maker, make sure that people understand where I'm coming from. So if no one knows me and I am not up there explaining it, they can still know what's going on in this movie. So we're going to go ahead and hit pause, and we're going to go back up to home. We added the videos, we added all that. What I want to do right now is just add a title slide, and that is not the thing to do. So we're actually going to delete that one because I forgot to tell you very important. So you're going to have to place that black bar, which is right here, exactly where you want it. Remove. There we go. So I'm going to put it right back up at the very beginning in front of my first slide. I'm going to hit title, and voila, there is my title slide. What I wanted to say goes right over here, so I'm going to just title it very generically, My Life. Probably should spell that right. It would be working well there. And then I'm going to pick my different background color. So for My Life, I would like it to be a blue. And the text, let's edit our text. There we go. Let's put that as yellow. That will be good. And I can bold it. I can, change it around, make sure that it's exactly how I want it to be, so that when people see the title slide, they're like, wow, she did that. So that's what I'm going to leave it at for now. And at this point, I just think it would be a good idea to save. So what we're going to do is actually go up to this button, do the drop-down menu. We're going to do Save Project As. And we are going to put, I'll put Shelley's Movie. And that will be well. So that saves it so that I can edit the project later. Okay, you'll see it up here, Shelley's Movie, it's saved. So when I close this, I can go back in and edit my project. If I'm completely done and I want to save the movie, I would go over here to Save Movie. And I would click Recommended for this project to make sure that I save it as the current movie. But I'm not ready to save it quite yet, so we're just going to X out of that. We're going to call it a day for now, just because we imported our slides. We're ready to go. We've created a title slide so people sort of know where we're coming from, and we will take it from there.